What's up? What? Today we will be discussing about Gojo and Nalabi ki shadi. And who else? And Novara and Yuji's shadi. The happy life of Mr. Itadori Yuji and Mrs. Kokizaki Novara. OMG, everyone is staring at us. Help. Happy life of Mr. Itadori and Miss Kokizaki face throwing a kiss with Tala. Lingang gole 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 wacha. Fart noises 2.0. Become this way. Fart and short noises. Guys, look where we are right now. It's a super aesthetic place. Aesthetic and aesthetic. मैं करने में कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता मुझे. What the hell? Dusty, do you want to mock me?
No.
Okay, guys, we will tell you. Say something.
What?
Guys, we'll tell you the entire story when we get to the park. Ew, dude, stop. Okay, we'll meet you guys when we get to the park. For now, Bestie will be making fart noises on the way there. Oh, I'm dying, dude. Why did you call me? Why the fuck did you call me when you don't even have to say anything, bro? You just don't beat them. This is the OG fam. They don't deserve to get hit. Do you know who else does?
Who?
Rabia. Wait, guys. Bestie is walking on Rabia and Qasim. You literally just walked on Rabia and Qasim, dude. How do you feel about it? Oh, just see them again. Look, guys. Rabia and Qasim. Slay. It's just trash. You know? Not real shit. Ringang gole gole gole. What's that? Ew. I wonder what happened here. Maybe they had a party. Yeah, that was Rabia. Okay, guys. So let's just. I'ma just tell you what we did right now. Fuck. Okay. So we texted this guy named Lucas. He's an asshole. He's a jackass, and basically, why are you walking away? And basically, we told him that we will hit him in the gut. And Bestie is making fart noises again. Bestie, do you like my bobo and my croc?
No.
Bestie doesn't like my bobo. She doesn't like my bobo and my croc. Ew, that's like crow shit everywhere, bro. This is like probably Qasim's place. Don't you think? Why the fuck are you faking your laugh, bro? That's a bunch of old ass aunties, so I'll stop now. तूने बोला था हम लोग चाट डांस करने वाले हैं और तूने नहीं किया. You're mocking those ladies that just passed by behind there. We always mock people that pass by us, don't we, Bestie?
Yes.
I'm the only person who mocks them actually. Right? Do you also do it?
No.
You don't? Okay, fine.
I do.
Bro, it's a Sigma chat. Do the Riz. Riz them up, Bestie. Riz them up. What the hell? I told you not to hit them. I told you to riz them up. Riz them up now.
I don't know how to listen.
She's pagal. Ew, slay. Guys, I lost the bracket last month and I still haven't replaced it. And I look like a nerd. Let's send help. Why did she push me away?
Because you made me walk above Rabia.
I never noticed that, bro.
I meant Qasim, not them. Like, it's the same thing. It's the same thing.
Bashti wants to play Roblox. Guys, should we play Roblox? Bashti, what's your one game that you have been playing recently on Roblox?
The cocktails.
It's called Blocktails, you dumbass.
No, it's called the cocktails. BLCOK.
No, it's called Blue Cocktails.
No, it's called Blocktails.
And I've been playing Grow a Garden.
Blocktails is the most slay game ever. You should play it.
No, Nino play Block Tiles.
How dare you disrespect Blocktails? It's the most slay
We
game.
disrespect every game on Roblox except for Brookhaven and Grow a Garden.
Bro, why
And
does
those weird as Tower Tycoon or something. I don't know.
Why does everyone love Grow a Garden, bro?
I don't know, it's just kind of fun and addicting, bro.
Bro, it feels cringe. That's why I don't play
It also
Grow.
grows offline.
Bro.
Mine only grows a little bit. I don't know why. OMG. Oh, okay. It just was something really bad. Tung, Sahur. Is that issue? Oh, hey! Look, over there. Guys, meet Ishu. Do you want to come in a vlog? I'm vlogging for YouTube.
What?
This is Vidushi's cousin. Her birthday is tomorrow. Slay.
I'm leaving for tuition. I'm getting late.
I bet. Love the fit.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Happy birthday in advance.
Yeah, happy birthday in advance. Slay!
Chal.
Bye.
Bye.
Yes, super slay, bro. Super slay. Bye. Bye. Super slay and super aesthetic. We are going to a birthday party tomorrow, right, Best?
Yes. It's going to be
And
so
we will talk
slay.
about, and we will again talk about Gojo and Nanami's Shadi. Shadi.com. Shadi.com.
VIP Shadi.
Guys, we are going to show you Gojo cat. This is Gojo cat. क्या आपको पता है आपका शादी होने वाला है नानामी से? Dude, say something. अबे कुछ बोल. चल भाग. What is your destiny?
Is my destiny.
Bro. I have all a cough. Oh, wait, I have that hanky today. Should we become robbers? Guys, we always become robbers. And we rob our school. Not our school, my school. Bestie becoming a robber. Let me open mine. Fuck, okay. Bestie, you simple man, give me, don't you?
No, I am Sigma. I just like him as a favorite character alongside
I
Yoshi
bet.
and Nobara.
I bet. Do you know who I sim for?
Yes,
Who?
Sam and Toji.
Correct. So we are now almost to the park. The park is on somewhere over there. We will tell you guys Nonami? Nonami? Not Nonami. Nanami and Gojo Shadi. When we get to the Sharty, yes, Shardy. Shark noises. And Yuji and Nobara Shadi. And we will also recreate the scene.
I'm an old woman.
We won't do that again.
No.
You're a kid, right? She's a kid, guys.
Oh, Didi, what is a shardy?
A shard is cousin.
Didi.
Shut the fuck up, you ass.
We are only 7 months apart. Why should I call her Didi?
Because you called me Didi. I didn't tell you to call me Didi.
No,
I just told you to act like a kid. That's it. I didn't tell
acting
you
like
to...
a kid is same as calling you Didi. Like we are only 7 months apart.
Bro, no one asked you how many months we are apart. Dude, fuck, I'm dying. Dude, why do I always say I'm dying? But I'm not actually dying. Slay. Bestie, we saw Yuji, look. Yuji. क्या आपको पता है आपका शादी हो गया? नहीं? बेचारों को ये भी नहीं पता कि उसका शादी हो गया. Shadi.com pic! Good guys, that's the park over there. Over there. And this is where...
was that?
What was that?
Someone saying,
Especially, should we act like Slay Point?
what?
Should we act like Slay Point?
No.
Why shouldn't we act like Slay Point?
Because we are not as aesthetic as we are.
Yes, we are. Bestie, should we become robbers? Bestie, wait. Bestie, touch grass. Bestie, touch grass, flood. Flood, touch grass. Very aesthetic Bestie, your dogs were shown in the video. Is that okay?
What?
Your dogs were shown in the video. Guys, look at the
They're my
aesthetic.
hands.
No, your dogs.
No, they're my hands.
No, they saw your dogs.
Hey, yo.
Guys, look at the sky. It's perfect for a shadi for Gojo and Nanami.
And Gojo ki shadi
The happy life of Mr. Taduri Yuji and Mrs. Kukisaki Novara with tabla and Tatti. You can't forget Tatti.
Yeah.
It's that kid.
Happy life of Mr. Itadori and Miss Kugisaki.
Yes.
He's throwing a kiss in the tabla.
And what Metaya imagines.
Yeah.
It's like, wait, should we show them what Metaya imagines when we tell them to imagine Tatti? That's what it imagines. Literal soil. Okay, let's cross. We have to cross that line. Why are we pretending like we're taking a selfie when we're not? Guys, this is awkward. Super awkward. There's going to be a lot of people in the park. So we need to... Talo! Arey bhai, chalo bhai, kya kar rahe ho? Talo! Guys, look at the aesthetic park. Hopefully there aren't many people. Bestie was farting. Do that again. Slay. Hey guys. Hey Bestie. There isn't many people in the park today.
Oh, that's so slimy.
No, that's not slay. We have to get. Hopefully there isn't any like gang sitting in that get-together point. Cutely wraps arm around waist. And then whispers in the ear. I shart my pants. Real. Wait, okay, I'm gonna have to stop recording now. Say bye. Bye. And make the fart noise. No, not the. I need nicotine.
I need shit.
I need Sam Barge. I need She said she needs Megumi. And I need Sam Barge. Jid. I'm gonna say everything that you say to. Wait, Bestie, Chappy Couple.
Yeah.
Chappy Couple alert. We should tell them every single inside joke of ours. Should we?
No.
They won't even understand. Why is the guy staring at us? What do you want, you asshole? He stares. So he stopped now. Let's go to the Pint Valley Tea. Slay.